Here's a quick fix for your iPhone keyboard lag or slowness while typing on the iOS 17 update. Solution 1. Reset the keyboard dictionary. Your iPhone keyboard dictionary learns and saves words you type to improve autocorrect. Sometimes this causes lag. Go to Settings, scroll to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode to confirm. Reboot your iPhone once. This should fix the keyboard typing delay. Still lagging? Move to Solution 2. Turn off slow keys if it's enabled, then force restart your device. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, scroll to Keyboard and Typing, tap Slow Keys, and turn off the toggle. Now, hard reboot your iPhone by quickly pressing volume up, then down, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Enter your passcode and check if the keyboard delay is fixed. Solution 3. Use Apple's default keyboard instead of third-party keyboards. Third-party keyboards can cause compatibility issues and slow typing. Since I don't have any third-party keyboard, I'll just explain you the process to remove it. Hold the globe icon on your keyboard and switch to Apple's original keyboard. Or go to Keyboard Settings and delete any extra keyboards by swiping left. That's it. Keep your iPhone and apps updated to the latest iOS version to avoid bugs and improve keyboard performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.